how to speed up a slow computer. Is your computer slow, freezing, or taking forever to open apps? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to speed up your computer and make it feel fast again without spending money. Let's fix it. By the end of this video, your PC will boot faster, run smoother, and stop lagging while you work, browse, or play videos. First thing, restart your computer. A lot of people leave their PC on for days or weeks. Restarting clears temporary memory and closes background programs, slowing things down. One major reason computers become slow is too many apps starting automatically. Here's how to fix it. Right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, disable apps you don't need immediately after startup like music apps, game launchers, or unnecessary software. Your computer stores junk files over time. To clean them, search for Disk Cleanup and remove temporary files safely. If your storage is almost full, your PC becomes slower. Delete old videos, duplicate files, unused apps, large downloads. Try to keep at least 20% free space on your drive. Viruses can secretly slow down your computer. Use Windows Security or trusted antivirus software. Run a full scan and remove anything suspicious. Outdated software can cause lag and performance issues. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. Also, update your graphics and system drivers for better performance. Some apps run silently in the background using your RAM and CPU. Open Task Manager and check what's consuming resources. Close apps you're not using. For maximum speed, search Performance, Open. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select Adjust for best performance. This removes unnecessary animations and makes the PC faster. If your computer is still very slow, upgrading from HDD to SSD is a game changer. An SSD can make boot time faster, apps open instantly, and overall performance much smoother. This is one of the best upgrades you can make. If your computer freezes while multitasking, you may need more RAM. Especially if you edit videos, use many browser tabs, or run heavy software. Upgrading RAM helps a lot. If this video helped you speed up your computer, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Comment below if your PC became faster after trying these tips.